how to change your PLDT Wi-Fi password. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PLDT Wi-Fi password. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, connect your device to your PLDT Wi-Fi network. Now open any browser and type this IP address in the URL bar, 192.168.1.1. Hit enter and it will take you to the router's login page. Here, enter your login details. The default username is usually admin and the default password is 1234 unless you've changed it earlier. If you've forgotten the password, you might have to reset your router or contact PLDT support. Once you're logged in, look for the wireless or security settings option in the menu. That's where you'll find the Wi-Fi password section. Now, under WPA2 or WPA3 settings, you'll see a field called pre-shared key or Wi-Fi password. Delete the old password and type your new one. Make sure it's a strong mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. If you also want to change your Wi-Fi name SSID, you can do that here too. Just type your new network name in the SSID field. Once done, click on Apply or Save to update the settings. It'll take a few seconds and your router might disconnect for a bit. Now reconnect your devices using the new password, and that's it. That's all for the video. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and I'll reply to you there. See you in the next one.